The holidays are a time for gathering around the table to make memories, and Hobby Lobby's here with 3 ways to elevate these special moments. The key to a wonderful Christmas tablescape is to make it memorable by including show-stopping details. In this traditional look, lush florals are the highlight, starting with a custom centerpiece of classic evergreens and frosted red magnolias. Ready-made arrangements displayed in close jars instantly add a woodsy feel. Incorporate them alongside birch pillar candles and other natural elements. Carry the look to your place settings with wood grain chargers, pine tree plates, and acorn ornaments as napkin rings. Round out the evergreen theme by tying guest place cards onto mini wreaths. If you're looking to create a unified theme, Hobby Lobby has an abundance of gorgeous pieces to choose from, including nostalgic nutcrackers and golden accents. Try staggering nutcrackers in a variety of sizes and colors alongside holiday decor mainstays, such as bottle brush trees and taper candles, to create a refined twist on Christmas whimsy. Keep things cohesive by coordinating your placemats, chargers, and plates. Then fill out the look with nutcracker-themed glassware and salt and pepper shakers. You can also attach nutcracker ornaments to place cards for a thoughtful finishing touch. If you'd rather your tablescape embrace vintage charm, Hobby Lobby has an array of antique-inspired pieces that nod to snowy days and simpler times. Ground this woodland look by arranging pine garlands and dewdrop picks over a neutral table runner. Then place pomegranates here and there to add some organic texture and color. And give your centerpiece a natural glow. Incorporate candles and string lights. This dishware features a snowy scene that, when paired with a pine branch placemat, captures the feeling of an old-fashioned Christmas. Complete the style with an elegant flair by adorning each place setting with a personalized gold frame ornament. To find all these table setting must-haves, visit Hobby Lobby today and explore an array of holiday essentials that will make your Christmas season bright. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.